a really lazy way to get through someone's half guard. So I love to do this. I'll bait them. I'll put my hands on the mat because I want them to Kimura me and say, when they Kimura me, what I do is I punch my hand across my stomach. And then I'm going to set up either two things. Really quick submission, punch, lean forward. You put them in the reverse Kimura, they tap. Especially if they really commit to the Kimura and they're deep, their arm gets trapped. Second thing, I like to take the back from here. So once I do that punch, I drop to my hip. Now you have to, with the right hand, you have to block the leg, or they're going to try to like throw the leg over. You block the leg, and then once you block the leg, grab the far hip, and you're going to pull them. And you start hipping out and pulling them, and you're going to get a very easy back take. Now, worst case scenario, they pull their arm out quick, and you get an easy half guard pass. And my name is Bobby Collins. I'm a BJJ strength and conditioning coach. If you're looking for help building strength, building power, improving your gas take, comment performance, and I'll help you out with that.